My question is, how do you keep up the vigor of your study of Advaita Vedanta over a prolonged period of time? For context, I've been studying for about 3.5 years now, and my guru, Swami Sarvapriyananda in Chennai, he does lectures, and I follow those lectures, and I study as much as I can. But then there comes a point where there used to be a time where I used to get insights almost every day, and there used to be so many interesting things that just blowing my mind. And over time, I've come to the understanding that it is unreal, and there is one reality that's underlying, but it's not translating into that, that thing that people can easily assimilate, and in their daily interactions it's normal that this is very evident to them. How do you keep that vigor going, and especially how do you keep that vigor going through trying times in life?
Yes. First of all, you're blessed that you have this interest in Advaita Vedanta, in non-duality. One of the radical texts of non-dual Vedanta, Avadhuta Gita, it starts with saying, Ishwar anugraha deva pumsam advaita vasana. It's by the special grace of God that you have a liking for non-duality, for Advaita. Also, you are blessed to be following one of the most authentic teachers. I'm being conservative when I'm saying one of the most authentic teachers of traditional Advaita Vedanta in the world today. Now, when you say, I study this, I used to get so many insights earlier. Why used to? I used to get, initially when we read about it, there's an excitement of understanding, of new knowledge dawning, new insights, that's great. But if we study and we begin to assimilate that, it becomes natural to us, kind of second nature to us. And that itself is a huge step forward. It is itself is the source of peace and joy and strength. We get contentment from that knowledge that there is this underlying one existence consciousness bliss, that I am that. And that's the source of contentment. That's the source of joy. And from that perspective, I can face the challenges of life. That's the source of strength. Advaita Vedanta, properly done through study and reflection and meditation, it should be a matter of continual joy of, here I'm reading this, which is a description of reality. It's so stunning to see what the books are saying is the reality that I'm experiencing. So it gives you a perpetual joy. What you're speaking about, it might be that because you've been doing it for 2 or 3 years now, it's become natural to you. It's no longer new or novel to you, which is good. Suppose I ask you that, oh, so it's not all that interesting or exciting anymore. Stop it. Just go back to what you were earlier. Would you agree to do that? You wouldn't. You wouldn't, right? Yes. Because what you have discovered is so precious. It's not that I found it was rather interesting. Now it's quite boring. I'm through with it now. Then something has gone wrong. But you're not saying that. It's become natural for you. And the rest is a matter of staying with it until it becomes a living reality for you. At one point, you will not even need it. But that point is when you are living in and as Brahman, where it is an effortless presence for you. You don't need the books or teachings to support that. There was a very great monk in the Himalayas at one time in Rishikesh called Bhikshu Shankarananda. He was regarded by the other monks and devotees around at that time, this was 1930s, 40s, as an enlightened person, at least a very great non-dualist. And he lived an extremely austere life. He had what is called a charpoi, like a wooden cot. And he would live under a tree. I think he had a hut also. But no books. So somebody went and asked him, Swami, what kind of a non-dualist are you? You don't have any books. Non-dualists have lots of books. They talk in Sanskrit and they quote this and that. And they keep studying this book and studying and teaching books. Where are your books? And this monk said, oh, I have books. I have 3 books and I read them every day. And they show me what I have to, what I have to see about the truth. What are the 3 books? Waking, Dreaming and Deep Sleep. I read them every day. So the life itself is a book for him now. It's continuously showing him Brahman. Yes. Thank you. Stay with it. It's the most valuable thing in life.